We are following an NBC26 weather alert. A wind chill warning is now in effect for the entire viewing area through Thursday morning. It extends back to the west across Iowa and Minnesota. Wind chills are dropping into the 20s and 30s below zero across northeast Wisconsin right now, but you can see what's headed our way for later on tonight into tomorrow morning. Wind chills in the 40s and 50s below zero. And when you have wind chills that cold, frostbite and/or hypothermia are likely if precautions are not taken. Now, as we head into tomorrow morning, actual air temperatures will range from around 15 below to 25 degrees below zero. When you factor in a sustained wind at around 20 miles per hour, we will be looking at wind chills between 42 degrees below zero and 55 degrees below zero. And when wind chills drop down to around 35 to 55 degrees below, frostbite can occur on exposed skin in 5 to 10 minutes. So if you can, stay indoors. If you have to go out, minimize travel, cover up, and wear multiple layers of clothing. Right now, it is cold. Temperatures are dropping below zero everywhere. It's already down to 11 below in Anago. We've got 6 degrees below zero in both Oshkosh and Fond du Lac. In Green Bay, with mostly cloudy skies and a few flurries, the temperature is 3 degrees below zero, but look at those winds gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour. It is 6 below in the valley. Dew points have dropped into the mid-20s below zero. So once again, when you combine the bitterly cold temperatures with strong winds, you're looking at dangerous wind chills. Right now, wind chills are in the 20s and 30s below zero. It feels like 32 degrees below zero in Appleton. We had a cold front move through earlier today. Behind it, Arctic air is rushing in from Canada. Temperatures are dropping to our north and west. Look at this. Right now, 20s below zero after afternoon highs. There were only in the teens and 20s below zero. We've got wind chill warnings all over the place, and those will continue once again until we get to Thursday morning. Now, as we head through the evening, wind chills will continue to drop. By tomorrow morning, wind chills right around 45 to 50 degrees below zero for most of the viewing area. High temperatures are going to be brutally cold. 15 below for a high tomorrow in Fond du Lac. Look for 12 below in Appleton. It will be a little bit warmer north and east of Green Bay, where temperatures will be mainly in the single digits below zero. In other words, this is the coldest air mass in 5 years. You have to go back to January 2014 to find a day similar to what we're going to see tomorrow. Now, as we head into Thursday morning with lighter winds, we'll see colder temperatures. Many of us will be in the mid to upper 20s below zero. For actual low temperatures, some spots will dip down into the 30s below zero. So how does that compare to the all-time record low temperatures across the NBC26 viewing area? Well, it's getting close in some spots. Most record lows are in the 30s and 40s below zero. The all-time record low for Green Bay is 36 degrees below zero. The all-time record low for the state of Wisconsin is 55 degrees below zero. That was set back in 1996. Tonight, bitterly cold wind chills. We'll continue to see some blowing and drifting snow. Most spots will end up right around 20 degrees below zero by tomorrow morning. Once again, that does not include the wind chill. Look for a high around 10 below. Colder south, warmer north. Bitterly cold wind chills will continue throughout the day. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is -10. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Heart of the Valley Food Pantry, and we did that today. I forecast 4. And the actual high temperature was 4 degrees, which means I've now hit 67 of the last 67 3-degree guarantee forecast. Bitterly cold again on Thursday, with a high once again only around 10 below. We do warm up on Friday, and then we warm up dramatically for Groundhog Day. Look at that, 38 degrees, a chance for some rain, even warmer on Sunday with a high near 40 before we cool back down again. So we're talking about wind chills potentially in the mid-50s below zero tomorrow morning, and then warming up to 45 potentially in some spots over the weekend.
That's quite a shift and a shock to the system.
An apparent change, temperature change of 100 degrees.
We'll all be outside looking for our shadows on Groundhog Day after